92.7 WOBM, Sean and Sue. We're at the beach on a Friday here at the Pacifico Patio, powered by our friends at RWJ Barnabas Health. Speaking of RWJ Barnabas Health, today we're joined by our special guest from Community Medical Center, Dr. Tiffany Pompa, medical oncologist at Community Medical Center in Toms River. Doctor, thanks for joining us today.
Oh, thank you, Sean. Happy to be here.
Now, you recently joined the Cancer Center at Community Medical Center, an RWJ Barnabas Health facility. Can you tell us a little about yourself and your specialty, which is the area of oncology?
Yeah, of course. So a little bit about me. I grew up in New York. As you could probably tell after listening to me, you could hear my accent. I did a lot of my medical training in New York as well. For my oncology and hematology specialty, which is, diagnosing and treating patients with cancer or blood disorders, I did my training at Drexel in Philadelphia. And then after I graduated from that, I ended up in New Jersey, and I've been practicing here soon to be 7 years. In regards to my specialty in oncology, I was trained to diagnose and treat all different types of cancer and blood-related disorders. So I could do very common things such as cancer of the lung, breast, colon, but I'm also specialized in doing rare types of cancer as well.
Now, as a medical oncologist, you're an important member of the patient's care team. What other oncology specialists do patients at Community Medical Center have access to?
So what's excellent about Community Medical Center is we do have a complete team of oncologic specialists or specialists in cancer. We have surgical oncologists, we have radiation oncologists, we have nurse navigators, and also we have a good support team of oncology specialists.
You mentioned radiation oncologists. Can you mention some of the latest radiation therapy treatment options that are available to patients at Community Medical Center in Toms River?
Well, at Community Medical Center, they provide, the latest radiation therapy techniques. Some to mention include, CyberKnife technology.
Dr. Community Medical Center, together with Rutgers Cancer Institute, the state's only national cancer institute designated comprehensive cancer center, provides access to advanced treatment options, including clinical trials. Can you talk briefly about the importance of cancer clinical trials?
So the importance of cancer clinical trials is that they provide advanced treatment options, which can prevent, detect, and treat different diseases. So being an NCI-designated cancer center, we have access to a lot of these clinical trials and some that aren't available in other institutions. The advice I could give patients is anybody interested in being part of a clinical trial just has to discuss it with their healthcare team to determine what's available to them and if they're eligible for that clinical trial.
How would listeners schedule an appointment with you?
So I love what I do, and I'm always excited to take care of patients. So if anybody would like to make an appointment with me, they would just have to contact our Oncology Access Center. That's 844-CANCER-NJ, or they could just dial 844-226-2376. The great thing about our facility is when they call, they'll be interacting with an oncology nurse navigator. And those individuals are great at guiding patients through their cancer journey and also providing them with the appropriate access to care.
Dr. Tiffany Pompa, thanks for joining us today and shedding some light on the subject of cancer and oncology. Thanks for being with us.
Well, thank you so much for having me on. I appreciate it.